Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the second question of LeetCode, which is add two numbers. So in this question, we are given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order. We have to add those two numbers and return it as a linked list. So this is the first linked list and this is the second linked list. We have to add these and return a third linked list which has the results. So first let's create two nodes which point towards our lists and uh, name them T1 and T2. And now let's just create our answer node, which is going to be A. It's going to be a new list node. And we are also going to create another node which will help us iterate through the answer node. Now we also need something that can hold the carry. So let's say we have two numbers, suppose 9 and 8. In that case, if we add those, we'll have 17. So the 1 will be a carry. So initially the carry will be 0. Now we are going to iterate through the linked lists. We're going to do that till either T1 is null, T2 is null, or when the carry becomes 0. Now, why we need to add this is, suppose instead of 3 and 4, here we had 7 and 6. Then the addition would have given us 13. And we would be left with 1 as carry. But we don't really have anything in T1 and T2. So we need an additional condition so that we don't terminate the loop there only. Now let's declare two variables, x and y, to store the values in the lists. Now, if p1 is equal to null, then the value should be 0. Otherwise, it should be the value inside p1. The same for y. Now let's calculate the sum. The sum would be x plus y plus carry and percentage 10, the remainder. And the carry would be, right, let's not add this here. Let's do this by here. The carry would be sum by 10. Now for A1 next would be equal to a new list node with the value of sum percentage 10. That is the units digit sum. Yeah. And we now set A1 to A1 next. And we also need to move these two pointers. So we'll do that. T1 is equal to, now we need to check if T1 is already at null. If so, then we don't need to go further than that and keep it at null only. And same for T2, T3, T2 next, or null should be next. Yeah. And now after this, there's one important detail that we need to return a next, as the first digit that we are storing is actually in the next module. Like we are not storing it on in the head, but in the first node after the head. So let's run the code, and we got accepted answers. Let's submit. And yeah, it's correct. So that was it. Comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.